Hey guys, it's Julie, Roots for You 45. I'm back with a quick video. A young lady sent me a video who said that she had her hair in braids. She wanted to scrub her scalp because she gets real bad dandruff. Now I suggested that she use the charcoal mask that you can use on your face, which you could also use on your scalp, or she could do a sugar scrub, but this is one of the ones that I have used and I have really liked, because sometimes I want to cleanse the scalp, but I don't want to use shampoo on the hair. And I use this. It cleanses the scalp really well. It rinses well. You can do all types of substitutions if you wish, and we'll come back to that in just a second. But that way you're not using all that shampoo and stripping out all the good things. Let me get a bowl, by the way. All the good things that you have put into your hair. But come on, cameraman, pan down, young man. But quick and easy. It's just the dump. It's not any measurements. It depends on how much you want to make. We're going to use baking soda. Now, as far as the baking soda goes, I suggest that you actually use your spice grinder to grind it up so that it's as silky smooth as possible, because you don't want to put anything in your scalp that's going to braid or to snap off your hair. We're going to use Himalayan salt. If you have the full thick chunks, I just ground that up in my spice grinder also until it's nice and smooth. We're going to use rice flour. A lot of these things, like the salt and such, helps to detox the scalp, helps cleanse it. The rice is real good for inflammation. So are the other ingredients I'll tell you in a second. Tapioca starch, super soothing. Oh my goodness, this works so well. The things that we're making today, rose petal powder. Not only are they good for your scalp, you can use it as a facial thing also. Your peppermint powder. I just got my peppermint leaves and put them in my spice grinder and ground those up. Like I said, it's just a dump and you mix it up really well. At the end, I'll even show you how to use it on your scalp. One lady said that if I was going to do the recipes, to please show exactly how I use them. I'm not going to mix that up all the way totally well, because it'll drive me crazy, and I think it's just a waste of time because everybody knows how to mix. Pan up, sweetie. I always grind mine up, especially the baking powder and the Himalayan salt. Those are the two essentials if you're going to do a scrub for your scalp. Also, it helps not snap your hair off, because as you know, those things are crystals. You can use this as a facial pack. You can also throw it in your bath. If you don't have the exact same ingredients that I have, use what you have. You can use ginger, which is super good for inflammation and things like that. And I guess that's all, because we're trying to save money. This tax season was a bite out of crime for a lot of people. Well, if you do have to pay the tax man, or you didn't get back what you were thinking that you were going to get back. But we're going to pause for a second. I'm going to come back and we're going to come in the bathroom and I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, I'm ready. But we're in the bathroom finally. All the things that we mixed up were quick and easy, and store them in whatever container that you want. I don't have any glass because I'm doing food storage right now, so I had to put them in plastic this time. But you know, life goes on. Very easy. Like I said, it's a powder. You can use it in your bath. You can use it on your face. But I'm going to use this as a hair scrub because I have my hair the way that I want it, but I want to cleanse the scalp. And some people say, you can just as easy use shampoo. Everybody doesn't want to use shampoo all the time. What type of shampoo did they use in ancient times? I'll wait. So please don't tell me, and don't send me ugly comments about your hair is dirty, you don't wash your hair, I think it's disgusting, and what have you. But anyway, this is also great for absorbing grease. So whatever way you do your hair, whatever way you divide it, get you a little bit in your hand, you're just giving your scalp a really good scrub. As you can see, it's a powder. It's going to rinse out super easy. Of course, if you have dark hair, my hair isn't as dark as it used to be. See how if you wanted to mix it with aloe vera, you could do that, but you're going to lose a lot of the scrub capabilities of it. So yeah, it does get a little messy. is not a science. You could probably put it in a bottle and squirt it on the scalp exactly where you want it, but I'm not going to do that anyway. Scalp is going to smell good. That peppermint that's in it, oh my goodness, the whole area just smells like peppermint. Smells good. The rose petal, it's going to help with the inflammation. The tapioca, the baking soda, and the salt is going to help cleanse that scalp. And just rinse as you normally would. As you can see, I've put a bit of that in there, but you can't see that my hair is super white or anything like that. So go out there and make something for yourself, save your money, and I guess pay the tax man. I don't know. Bye, guys.